Welcome. In front of me is a ThinkPhone by Motorola, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications, extend the list, and somewhere between the toggles you should have a screen recording toggle. Now if it's not on the first page, just swipe to the side and hopefully you can find it on other page. Now I'm not actually seeing it anywhere, so I'm going to tap on this little pencil right here, swipe down, and hopefully it's somewhere here. It was added by default, so I just didn't see it. Okay, now let's try to find it again. There we go. So I just missed it when I was looking for it. So anyway, as you can see, it is actually added by default. So from here I can tap on an arrow, which apparently doesn't take us to the settings, so I'm gonna stop it and let's find it again, and let's actually hold this in this case. So we're gonna hold it, and this takes us to the settings. Now in here you can access some of the settings associated with just the screen recording. So we have viewfinder, which will be basically your front-facing camera recorded on the screen. And this is the actual size that will be visible somewhere on the screen. You can move it around. You have resolution, which is set to 1080p. I do recommend keeping it at that. This basically is like a sweet spot. So yeah. Now moving below that, we have record time limit. So by default set to unlimited, but you can change it to be something like, for instance, half an hour if you want to. File size limit. So if you're struggling for size, you can cap it at some specific size, though the sizes right here are pretty limited. If you're planning to record like gameplays, as an example, probably 1 gig at the highest end right here as a limit might be still small enough. So yeah, so I would probably recommend keeping that at uncapped. Then we have record touch points. This will simply record a semi-transparent gray dot on a screen wherever you have pressed your finger to the screen. I'll keep it on just so you can see how that looks like. Now from here we can find the toggle once again, tap on it, start recording. So just to kind of go into it, because it's not, I didn't see settings for it. By default, the phone records a system sound, as you can see, but you can change it to microphone, mic and system, or complete mute. So that's completely up to you. We have also options for like drawing on a screen, as you can see, and we have the viewfinder. As you can see it right over here. We have pause and obviously stop options as well. So I'm going to stop it now, and this will automatically save the screen recording to my Photos application right over here. And it will be visible right at the top, as you can see right here, as the newest one, but I believe later on, once you have a little bit more in here, like more categories, it will give you an additional button right here at the bottom. So from there you can then navigate to album called Screen Recorder. Let's see if we have anything here. Also, it just kind of like automatically gives all of them. But yeah, you can see it right here. It does give you the name of the folder or catalog that it's pulling it from, and you can just simply tap on it to view it. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.